How to add pages within a page in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a folder of pages within an only one page into your Squarespace website. So you are going simply to sign in into your account for Squarespace. Then you are going to head over the account dashboard. As you can see here, we have the websites that we have created. If we see that you have some expired websites already, click on create website, or you can go ahead and consult them even when they have been expired, because the expiry date is going to prevent them from showing on the web. So they are going to be hidden only and not going to be disappearing. So I'm going to select one of the websites I have. Then what I am going to do is to wait for the loading page, as you can see here. Then we have the editor. So what are we going to do is to click on pages here on the left side of the screen. We have the website and we have the different elements from it, like the styles and assets. Click on pages, and now you are going to see your main navigation. So what I am going to do here is to select the plus button or add element or add page into the main navigation. Click on it, and then we are going to see pages, page layout, scheduling, and etc. I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I see here a folder. And the new nomination of the folder is going to be drop down in here. So we are going to click on drop down. And as you can see, this drop down is going to be empty. So I'm going to be back here right there. So we are going to add or start adding the pages. So I'm going to start by adding here a blank page. Like, let's say here, this drop down or this, as you can see, this folder or this page is going to have here a page. So we have here page. As you can see, it is going to be empty. So I'm going to name it, for example, about us, or we are going to put here information or useful info, for example, like that. I'm going to click on save. And I think that here I have put the wrong navigation title. It is going to be here. So you're going to add some pages. So for example, here we have the, let's say the home page. You can go ahead and grab it and put it in here. We can add whatever pages from here. For example, we can add the blog page in here. I'm going to add a blog page, so you are going to see it. You can add a portfolio, an event, or a video page into that specific. I'm going to add here an event page, just like that, and you're going to see here bunch of pages that has been here set up or created within only one page. So we are going to head over here, click on useful info, and you're going to see all the pages in here. So we have a drop down menu. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.